Tesla's recent focus on artificial intelligence has allowed them to create a virtual assistant called the Tesla Bot. However, the Tesla Bot is lacking in many areas and does not live up to its potential. One of the biggest issues is that the Tesla Bot does not have reinforcement learning, which is a key component of successful AI. In this blog post, we'll explore why reinforcement learning is so important, why Tesla lacks it, and what can be done to improve the Tesla Bot. What is reinforcement learning? Reinforcement learning is a type of artificial intelligence that involves machines learning from their own experiences. It is different from other forms of machine learning, such as supervised learning and unsupervised learning, because it does not rely on pre-labeled datasets or structured datasets. Instead, reinforcement learning works by giving an AI agent a goal and rewards for achieving it. As the agent takes actions and receives feedback from its environment, it learns to adjust its behavior in order to maximize the rewards. This type of learning can be very useful for developing autonomous robots or vehicles. By setting a goal and giving the robot a reward for reaching it, the robot can learn how to navigate its environment without any prior programming. This makes it much more versatile than other methods of artificial intelligence, as it can adapt to changing situations quickly. Unfortunately, the Tesla Bot is currently missing this important feature. The lack of reinforcement learning means that the bot is limited in what it can do and how it can interact with its environment. Without this feature, the Tesla Bot's ability to respond to new situations and learn from them is greatly reduced. Hopefully Tesla will be able to add reinforcement learning to the bot soon so that it can become even more useful and powerful. How does Tesla's bot lack reinforcement learning? Tesla's bot lacks reinforcement learning, an artificial intelligence technique that helps robots learn from their mistakes and improve their performance. This type of learning allows robots to take specific actions in response to their environment and get better results with each iteration. In other words, robots that use reinforcement learning can learn how to perform tasks more efficiently and effectively. Unfortunately, Tesla's current bot does not have this ability. Instead, it relies on a pre-programmed set of rules and commands to determine how to act in any given situation. While this may be useful in some cases, it is far from ideal in many scenarios. Without reinforcement learning, the robot is limited in its ability to learn from its mistakes and adapt to new environments. As a result, it cannot efficiently explore all possible solutions to a problem. Additionally, the robot will not be able to form intelligent responses based on previous experiences or utilize feedback from the user to improve its performance. By implementing reinforcement learning, Tesla's bots could become much more efficient and effective at completing tasks. This would ultimately lead to a better user experience and better results overall. For now, however, Tesla's bots still lack this crucial capability and are therefore unable to achieve their full potential. The implications of this for Tesla. The implications of Tesla not having reinforcement learning for their bot are far-reaching and concerning. Without reinforcement learning, Tesla's bot lacks the ability to learn from its own mistakes and adjust its behavior accordingly. This means that any decisions it makes in the future will be based on the same set of rules and criteria that it used initially, instead of taking into account new information or changing its approach as the situation evolves. This could potentially lead to the bot making poor decisions or repeating the same mistakes over and over again. This lack of flexibility could lead to users becoming frustrated with the bot, which could ultimately reduce the usefulness of the technology. In addition, it limits the potential applications of the bot, as other AI technologies such as deep learning and natural language processing are dependent on reinforcement learning to become more powerful and effective. Given these implications, it is important for Tesla to develop their bot further and incorporate reinforcement learning into its design. Doing so would allow the bot to learn from its past experiences, leading to better decision-making in the future. Furthermore, it would open up new possibilities for the technology and enable a wider range of applications for it. Ultimately, it is clear that Tesla needs to update its bot to include reinforcement learning if it wants to remain competitive and relevant in the current AI landscape. Without this technology, their bot will be unable to keep up with the advances of other AI technologies, leaving it behind in terms of capabilities and effectiveness.